morning, all of you. Let us revise the next chapter, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation, the earth having the two movement, rotation and revolution. Earth when rotate on its own axis is known as a rotation, while when the earth completes one round circle on the in the of the sun is known as a revolution. 24 hours taken by for the rotation, while 365 and 1.5 days taken for the revolution. So these are the two important motion of the earth. Rotation, when the earth rotates exactly, it takes 23 hours 56 minutes and the 4.09 seconds. This is not exactly a 24 hour, but it was a less than 24 hour. But then also for the convenience we have taken as a 24 hour, and this time duration is known as a centrality. The speed of a rotation, the earth rotates on an axis on the very high speed, and because of this rotation the Coriolis force is created. It is also because of the rotation day and night causes when it completes the face which is facing the face of the earth which is facing to the sun, having a sunlight, having a day, and the opposite side having a night. It is also all the celestial body, because of the rotation only all the celestial body appears in the eastern side and sets in the western side, like in the case of a sun. All the moon, all the celestial bodies appear first in the east. It happens because of this rotation only, and also because of the rotation the centrifugal force is created. It is a force, when any object is moving in the circular motion, they goes from the opposite to the center, outer side from the center, so the centrifugal force is created because of the rotation. The Coriolis force is also created because of the rotation. It is a force in which what happened, the moving object like the air and the water, they goes opposite, they goes deflecting. They deflected towards the right hand side in the northern hemisphere and towards their left hand side in the southern hemisphere. All the moving object like wind and water, this is known as a Coriolis effect. Ferris were the another scientist who discover more about that, so it is also known as a Ferrel's law. Revolution, the period of revolution is a 365 and a 1 by 4 days. This 1 by 4 days after every 4 year. 1 by 4 day means 6 hours, and 6 into 4 is 24. After every 4 year, it becomes a 1 day, so that is added in the month of February, and that particular month year is known as a leap year, which occurs after every 4 year. The period of revolution is 365 days. The two position of earth is there, aphelion and perihelion. Aphelion is a posture of the earth in which the earth was very close to sun, while the perihelion is a place when it is very close to the sun, it is a 3rd January, while the aphelion is a position of earth when it is very far away from the earth. It was 152 kilometer away from the sun. It is a very far. It was a 4th July. So this was a two position of earth. The earth was inclined towards its axis. It is 23.5 degrees from the orbital plane and 66.5 degrees from the perpendicular plane. This inclination remains same towards its revolution. Because of this revolution, what happened? The alternation of seasons are there. The summer season, winter season occurs. It is because of the revolution only. When the earth, the face of the earth, because it was an incline and it was one face is always inclined towards the sun. So the face which is facing to the sun having the summer season, the opposite side having the winter season. And when the earth comes to the other side, the other face of the earth was facing to sun and the one side was opposite to sun, so that was the other season. This was occurs because of the revolution of the earth only, and this topic we will do in the next topic. Thank you.